Hey guys, so welcome to part 2 of the lawn equipment startup series for 2026. So today we're going to do the lawnmowers, the working lawnmowers. So unfortunately there's only going to be these 4 included today because the other ones are not running right now, unfortunately. So that would be the Lawnboy R7070, which still has no spark. The Honda HRX 217 TDA, that one also is not running. I'll have to do some work to get that going again. And as well as the Honda HR 214 from 1985. That one probably does run, but I just didn't have time to take it out and mess with it today because I have to get all this done rather quickly because my grass, as you can see, really needs cutting. So I'm going to try and cut it after this video because tomorrow morning I have to go and work early. So yeah, I gotta get all this done quickly. So with that said, let's get started. Alright, so here's the first lawnmower we're gonna wake up this year. So this is a 1998 Lawnboy, as you can see, 10328, serial number 8903131. And this one here is powered by a 4.5 horsepower Tecumseh motor. As you can see there's the specs. So, speaking of this mower, I actually just replaced the carburetor. As you can see, that's a brand new carburetor because last fall when I winterized this thing, I decided to pull the carb bowl off to drain out, just to make sure all the gas was drained, and then I went to go put it back together. I went to tighten up the bowl nut and I accidentally snapped it, so that really sucked because that carburetor was brand new when I bought this mower, so I had to get a new one. So hopefully this thing will start right up like it did last year. So let's find out. So before we get started here, let's go ahead and give it some primes for a good time. Give it some jabs. Okay. Come on over here. Grab my tripod. Set you guys up here. Yeah, you guys probably can't even see anything. Let me move you guys closer. Just tilt you up. That shall work. Alright. See what happens here. Oh. Sweet. Awesome. Smoking a little bit. So, as you can see, certainly can depend on your Tecumsehs, that's for sure. Despite all the flack these engines get, but really, if you take good care of them and run good quality fuel in them, they really can last a while, and they are pretty reliable, almost as easy starting as my Honda over there. So that's ready to go for this year. Sweet. All right, next. All right, so here's the next mower we're gonna start. So this is a 2005 Toro Super Recycler, as you can see there. And if I just come over here, show you the model number. So it is model, can you see that? 255. This is from 2005, by the way. You can see the code there. So if you guys don't already know this, the way to date your Briggs & Stratton is you want to look for this code here, and when you find it, you'll see there's 3 sets of numbers. So you want to block the first 2 off, and then you want to look for the last set, and then as you can see right there it says 05, so that means it's a 2005 Quantum. So yeah, and this one here has the, as you can see, personal pace self-propelled system. So meaning you press down on the handle and it mows at the speed that you walk at, whereas on my other 2 they just have the traditional 2-bale setup. Same with that one over there. So let's see how this one starts. This is a classic right here. This is what I used for many years as my daily driver. So let's start this thing up. And there's a primer bulb right here. Give that a few pushes. Okay, that should be fine. And pull away. Awesome. As you can see, that started right up, just like this machine always has. All right, next. Okay, now for another Toro. So this is my 2013 Toro Recycler, model see there, 2370. Serial number is 31302 or 092393. So the 313 means that this was made in 2013, and this is powered by a Kohler Courage XT6 engine, as you can see there. 149 cc's, 6.75 horsepower Kohler. So we'll see how this one does. So let's go. Sweet. As you can see, there was smoking a little bit, but it started right up. So awesome. So far we're doing pretty well here. All right, now for the last mower. All right, now for my personal workhorse, my Toro 21442 Serial number is 414275882. This one here is a 2022 model, and as you can see, it's been upgraded to a Honda GCV 160 engine. So this is a great mower and always starts right up being a Honda. So set it to choke, and like I said, this is my workhorse. So yeah, just grab my tripod here. And hopefully you can see that. Okay. And now this one here is also a front wheel drive self-propelled, just like the 2370. So, let's see what happens here. Awesome. So, there was the 2026 Lawnmower startup video. And again, sorry that I wasn't able to feature the other mowers, but hopefully soon I'll get those running. But for now, hopefully this holds you over. And hopefully next week or the week after, I'll try and get the first lawn cutting video out. So that'll be cool. So in the meantime, that's all I got for today. If you enjoyed, remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Bye for now.